Today your time start now about the topic of mobile is the best or not. So in which favor are you all?
Shouldn't be.
Mobile shouldn't be, and you all are favor of mobile should be for everyone. So your time start now.
How can you say that the mobile should be?
Mobile is the basic need of our daily lives. That's fine.
But the mobile have great advantages also.
Repeat.
But the mobiles have many disadvantages also.
What kind of?
For example, they the mobiles weak the eyesight of the children and make them crazy.
But that's the problem of the children who are using it regularly and whole day.
But mobile distract them.
So it's their problem na why they have to hold the phone whole day.
But mobile that distraction was very strong. Student can't control on it.
You should have control on your own self that you can control yourself from the bad things of the mobile. You should have a mental control that you don't have to do it. You only have to use it for hour or in a half an hour.
But many of the people do not have that.
Don't have control on yourself.
Many people do not have.
But that's not what
So how
you
can-
don't have. Mobile is just made for your daily life of use and for emergencies, not for your whole day.
Give examples.
Like for example, you are a student. You can use phone whole day. You have to go school, have to attend school, have to focus on your activities, have to focus on your studies. You can't just hold phone every day. And even school's not allowed phone.
But now the online school all the money sent it to online.
So it's easier for the people, so it's easier for the students and for the teachers to send the work directly to the kids so they can do it as fast as possible so they can have the free time to recognize and to learn the work.
So why they are not teaching in the school?
The work provided in school, they do it on offline classes while the teacher gets the homework, she sends it in the group so the students can get the extra time to recover from that chapter.
But few of the schools did not have that rules that they have to send the work in their groups.
So that the school authority, that's the school authorities thought that they don't want to send the work to the school group. While there are some vacations and some occasions come in school, so they give a regular holiday. So what do you think about this? That's the easier way to tell the children that today is a school holiday, so you don't have to come. Or sometimes emergency came like floods because of the rain, so it will be easier for the teachers to tell the students that today is holiday and you don't have to come.
We can make easy notes from the mobile, and then we can easily contact to the far people from us.
You can also do it offline.
How?
Yeah.
But,
Like that all time.
but the old time things not work now.
And which kind of
Like in the old time, we can write a letter and send to the post office. But nowadays, the post office is far from our house. So with the help of a mobile, we can easily send the messages.
mobile people are making lazy. But by the mobile people are making lazy. Lazy.
How?
Lazy. Like
We
they
can
will not go to outside, they will always watching the screen. Less physical activities. Yes.
But they do also at home exercises from mobile, like open the videos of exercise videos and do at home.
And you can get the information about new things because of mobile.
But we can get new information from newspaper,
Books.
books.
But no one can read newspaper or books.
Yes.
It's nothing. Everyone can read newspaper like English and Hindi. There are so many languages.
This is correct, but no one nowadays no one interested in newspaper and books. Some people are interested in books and newspaper because everyone has a phone, so can take easy information from the their mobiles.
But there are a lot of cybercrime in mobile, like SMS, fraud SMS. There are a lot of, and the many health issues
And what health issues?
like the depression,
Other videos
anxiety.
that the like the depression and depression
Migration.
and that and the weak acid that because of the children and many of the people see the scroll reels and
They some guys watch the nudity,
watch the videos.
and because of mobile in the society vulgarity is going on openly. So
It's only depend on their mentality,
What type of mentality?
their weak mentality, and they watch bad
Vulgarity,
videos and destructive
yeah.
their own self. This is not the problem of phone.
But we have also read that the children watch the videos like the some small children like 3-4 years old watch the cartoons only don't see the any kind of bad videos, but they also go through the weak eyesight. So you can watch the mobile in limited time, not for full day.
And
But-
also watch the cartoons on
but-
TV.
But the small children do not have that kind of knowledge. So they are for parents' responsibility. They can use their children's only limited time.
But their children are don't agree. They are start crying. So what I mean.
But they are too small. So this is not correct to. Sir, one name क्या बोलते हैं?
repeat again.
So that they are problem.
Repeat again.
But are sometimes parents are not at home.
So what?
So what?
So
So we have said that the children do not have that kind of knowledge that they have to see 1 hour, 2 hour. It's not and we have said that the many of the parents are working of the children and they do not on the home.
And children cross the limit.
Yes, of watching videos
They forget for eating, drinking, whatever.
and they will suffer from many
Disease,
physical issues.
yes.
Physical issues.
Yes.
Okay, but they have a knowledge to how to the 3-4 year children not have the knowledge to how to start a mobile and how to see in limits. There is an example. My aunt's boy. My aunt gave him a personal tab to him in he has 2-3 years ago, and nowadays if her mother go to some outside the city or state or country, he did not mind. Only he want to
Only he want to know.
He want the tab only. He don't care of the mother and father.
And he is addicted.
Yes. And if we beat him and snatch the tab from him, he cries and beat us also.
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
We can't.
Speak loudly.
It's not the problem of mobile.
How can you say that?
Let me discuss this.
Okay, let her chance.
And why the parents
Give the phone their child, huh?
their child is early.
That's why we are saying mobile shouldn't be. It's fault of the mobile. Okay, let him chance. Yes,
It's not my answer.
let him chance. Yes, you.
This is the problem of the parents that they give phone to
Early age.
early age.
But what if there are no phones, so they don't give the phone, then they give toys?
Yes. And we have so many options apart of mobile.
Yes.
Like keypad.
No. We have so many options. Ludo, chess.
Yes.
Ludo, chess, carrom board, bat ball.
And
so
that
many games.
and give them the games and toys that and they have and they grow up their general knowledge like books, some little children books.
From phones, children get to know about new things and get to know the new skills. They get improved in it somehow, somewhere.
But by the using mobile, children are becoming rudely and angry in nature.
That's the problem of the parents that they are giving the phone to their children at such a early age. Even if they are giving the phone for the children for in a video or for just in a poem, they should only give it for 5 or 2 minutes. Just sit beside the child so they get to know that what their children is seeing. Like today nowadays YouTube Kids also going on. That's for the children. Nothing else come. Only the minor things come in that section.
So what can the parents do? Because the way children are taking phones while at school or studying and school groups.
So sit beside him to
So
watch.
parents.
But
sit
parents
beside
have no much
their-
time to sit beside him.
Yes. Many of the we have seen that the many of the parents are working. So they cannot work full day.
But
full
they
day-
want the rest. Water.
Yes. Oh, at the 9 o'clock, they, the mother and father of the child go to their office and come at the 8 to 9, 12 hour work, and they want the rest also. So they come in the home and fresh them and sleep by eating. But the responsible parents give the time to their children.
So what about your opinion in cyberbullying and cybercrime?
You have said that you want to say that.
Cybercrime and cyberbullying.
But also AI is also arrive in this generation to stop cybercrime and all these things.
But also, some people makes fake AI a website and you can click there and you got stuck.
So this is your problem. Not
Those fake AIs are made by laptops and many best sites from the computers. They are not made by phone because phone does not contain that much storage or that much data.
Speak up.
But many of the AI are weak also, and they do not do not stop that some kind of cybercrime messages.
Like what kind of cybercrime?
Cybercrime messages like that the some kind of link, lottery ticket, etc. and the jackpot link.
Nowadays people are so clever that they know that they don't have to click on some kind of anonymous link. So it's on
It's
your.
nothing.
So what about children?
Why
Yes.
you always coming on children?
So
Because
because
the-
all the children are using mobile
Yes.
at the gap they will
Not all the children are making those AI scams or something.
So
Many
what
of
they
them-
can do of
You are
website
only
will come to
you
their
are only
screen.
stick to the children.
Yes.
You are only stick to the children.
No, I was speaking and I didn't.
But also old women and men, what about that? Also old women and grandmothers. What about them? They don't know about AI and scams and phones.
And they have a smartphones and they do not know how to delete them. They want to delete them and they click on the links and the
They take help of
let me
their
complete. And you have said that that the children should that is a children's fault that they do the click the
I haven't said it first of all.
no,